Welcome to this service for Stratford. The next stop will be Northumberland Park. Exit for Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. We are now approaching Northumberland Park. Northumberland Park. This is the service to Stratford. Next station, Tottenham Hale.
Just make it easy. Just relax. Michael, just sit there. It's 2 stops.
Welcome to this service for Stratford.
It's freeze.
The next stop will be Tottenham
I
Hale.
don't want it.
Change for Victoria Line.
It looks so bad. I hope it doesn't taste like Pringles. That's how funny cracks.
We are now approaching Tottenham Hale. Change for Victoria Line. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. Tottenham Hale. This is the service to Stratford. Next station, Lea Bridge.
We'll take the phone. 85. The one we get at Stratford is scheduled every 2 minutes.
No, but at least when I ain't gonna fucking rush that. If anything, if they say anything, I'll just show them a picture of it. They can't take that in, bro. Oh.
don't know.
You never know who might be some cunt.
Isn't it?
Welcome to this service for Stratford. We will be calling at Lea Bridge and Stratford. The next stop will be Lea Bridge.
So how can he up there?
Oh, he's leaving at 3.
Leaving at 3?
Yeah.
Fucking nice little spot where we'll put off.
We are now approaching Lea Bridge.
No, fuck that. I won't want to see her.
Then she comes up, you know.
I'd have to tell her it's Kate.
Yeah.
So, no, probably would, wouldn't it?
Мне, может, больше никогда не доверяют свидания, потому что я приведу в следующий раз.
We're out. We're having when we're out. It's fake when we're out.
Yeah, you know that. Mate, trust me, bro. I'll probably do some work shit.
I'll put her into you.
Fucking one little thing.
She's actually mad.
Yeah. Oh, well. I'm certain that I'm going back to go. I'll be worried shit.
Yeah, so I know. Really.
A few people have been ill lately as well, but end up being a kid, bro. Oh shit, the other train went up.
I'm down there.
Yeah, right, check it out.
Lea Bridge. This is the service to Stratford. Next station, Stratford.
Huh? Neil's brother? Who's? Adam.
Welcome to this service for Stratford.
Yeah, what? Adam, yeah?
We will be calling at Stratford.
Oh, yeah.
The next stop will be Stratford.
Aki, how was Zion yesterday?
Change for Central Line, Jubilee Line, London Overground, Elizabeth Line, and DLR. Exit for Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park.
He went to the park.
from Cambridge.
Is that even true?
Captain Stratford. I want to Captain. It's like 4 minutes.
We are now approaching Stratford, where this train terminates. Change for Central Line, Jubilee Line, London Overground, Elizabeth Line and DLR. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
I could get there 20 minutes now.
I was just done that first.
Really worried about all that road. If I didn't know.
Yeah. That's what I thought. 'Cause I thought we had to get the other train station to get a cab anyway.
No,
I had to do one in Malta, bro. I had to do one in Malta. The bad thing outside and everything, bro.
I ain't on that. I'd rather shit myself.
No, but I can't be off what I was going to shit myself.
I'd rather.
No, I'd rather. No, I literally just turn up to your beach thing, you know. But when I dropped naughty one, yeah. I walked out and full birds, I fucking packed my kettle or something. I was like, I just fucking ran off, bro.
Well, I remember when I was in great up the other week, yeah. Before she got me on transponder and shit, yeah. So the top of the car, yeah. Bro, like this, that.
Who's Gracie? That
my mum and that.
Yeah,
Mum and
yeah.
shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to hold it and shit. Shit in the car like that, right?
yeah.
Holy.
Fuck that, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. No, she's not like that. She only been with 1 month.
Yeah.
She's with him for like 4 years.